JT Ippolito out here, Eileen, and we're at the International Baking Exposition that comes here every 6 months. And I shouldn't say that, every 3 years. And it's international. I just wanted to show you that Brazil is well represented with all their different ingredients and machines for cooking and baking. So you should look at Brazil because they have some great products for different recipes and different machinery to do all that. Let's take a look over here. We're going to slowly go around. Massive conveyor machine, but look at these cakes. I thought you'd love this.
This is like the cards that you need very hard. So it can be like this.
Amazing.
Need a sign. There is like a sign here.
Again, this is in the Brazil exposition.
Did you say you used pasta?
Outstanding. I think this is my favorite.
Did you finish the travel yesterday?
Yes.
You don't have it? I'd like to see it.
Showgirl on top of a spinning roulette with a magician.
Did you take a picture?
With a rabbit on his hat. Man, all the different things. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. Eileen, JT Ippolito out here in the field for Sync Media Network.